What is the difference between H. pylori and peptic ulcer? I love this very question because so many people use H. pylori and peptic ulcer as if they are the same thing. They are not the same thing. And as a nurse, I'm going to break it down so simply that you will never confuse them again. Think of it this way. H. pylori is the criminal, while peptic ulcer is the crime scene. Let me explain. H. pylori is a bacteria, a living organism that enters your body, usually through contaminated food, contaminated water, or a close contact with an infected person. Once it gets into your stomach, it buries into the stomach lining and starts causing damage. It weakens your protective layers of the stomach that is supposed to shade it from acid. And once that protection is gone, the stomach acid starts attacking the stomach wall directly. That attack, that damage, that open sore that forms on the stomach wall, that is the peptic ulcer. So H. pylori is the cause, the ulcer is the result. Now, here is something important. Not everyone who has H. pylori will develop an ulcer. Some people carry the bacteria without ever getting an ulcer, but H. pylori is responsible for about 70 to 80% of all peptic ulcers, and it is the most common cause. The other common cause of peptic ulcer is long-term use of painkillers like ibuprofen, diclofenac, and aspirin. These medications strip away the stomach's protective lining over time and allow acid to damage the stomach wall, creating an ulcer without any H. pylori being involved at it. Now, why does this distinction matters? Because the treatment is different. If your ulcer is caused by H. pylori, you need a specific combination of antibiotics alongside stomach acid reduction medication to kill the bacteria and allow the ulcer to heal. This is called triple therapy or eradication therapy. If you only take antacid and omeprazole without treating the H. pylori, the ulcer will keep coming back because the bacteria is still there causing damage. But if your ulcer is caused by painkillers and not H. pylori, then antibiotics are not needed. The treatment focuses on stopping the painkillers, protecting the stomach lining, and reducing acid production. This is why it is so important to get properly tested before treatment. A simple breath test, stool test, or blood test can confirm whether H. pylori is present, and endoscopy can confirm the ulcer itself. Do not just take ulcer medication without finding out the actual cause, because treating the wrong thing means the problem never fully goes away. Get tested, know your cause, treat it properly. I am Nurse Debbie and I talk it the real way. Please follow for more.